somewhere in the desert, come to the noise TV outpost. If you don't come here, yeah, you are missing out. We got Nantos, Gagara, and pizza, you reckon yes? Yes, that. Bow! So come and join the craziest party. If you can handle it. And cut. This is horrible. I'm gonna go get a smoke. I can't believe a man like me is being reduced doing commercials. If it wasn't for that stupid pill, I would stuck here on guard duty. Why did they leave me with this guy? Peter to conquer me some chicoya. Yes, your lordness. This gorilla is like pizza is the best I can do. But we got news from pepperman. They got hold of the town, but half of it was destroyed. They're still menacing to build base. Well, at least with it. And the Avaduia town put it. But I was told there was one guy too. He was moving real fast. A guy who moves really fast. As one of the lead generals of the East Side Army, it is my stern duty to protect my troops. I will get there at once. You got the pillow, sorcerer. Kabow! A few moments before, crash. Hello, are you disabled? We surrender. This should cover the fun of our troops and maybe a few visa orders too. Oh! Oof! Now all we need to do is set camp here. Boom! What's that?